Hi everyone, Melanie here from Balloon Artworks, and for today's easy balloon animal tutorial, we're getting ready for Easter. I'm going to be showing you how to make a one balloon bunny rabbit. So I'm going to be using one 260 modelling balloon. This is Latex pale blue, and I've got a tail of about 4 fingers. So twist off a bubble of 2 to 3 fingers, and then another bubble that is approximately the same sort of size. Then fold these two over, grasp hold of the knot and nozzle, and as you do so, twist those around. Take hold of that knot and nozzle and pull it through the centre, and that's going to pinch twist those 2 bubbles, okay? Give your balloon a little bit of a squeeze, and we want to make some bunny ears. So I'm making them about a handspan, so perhaps 4 inches. And then we want to make another bubble to match this one. And if you're enjoying this tutorial, be sure to pop the like button and do check out my series. I've got several series of easy balloon animals to make. If you're fairly new to balloon twisting, you'll probably enjoy my critters series most of all, and I'll leave links in the description below. They're all available on Vimeo. So twist these 2 ears together, just like so, and then take your balloon and position it below those pinch twists. Make a bubble of about 3 fingers, 2.5 to 3 fingers, okay? Make another bubble of a couple of fingers. So we're going to pinch twist this bubble, so bend the balloon over, grasp hold of that bubble, which should be a little bit soft, pull it upwards, and as we do so, twist it around, okay? Give your balloon a little squeeze, make another bubble of a couple of fingers. We're going to pinch twist this as well, so again, fold your balloon over, pull that bubble upwards, and as you do so, twist it around, okay? And then position the long balloon so it's coming through the bottom of those 2 bubbles, okay? So that's what you've got so far. Next, make a bubble that is about 4 inches long, and twist off another bubble. Okay, and then we're going to make another bubble to match this one, followed by another bubble to match this one. Okay, so another 2 finger bubble. Okay, and then fold your balloon over and make another bubble that is very close in size to this one. Just twist that off, and then we can just twist those 2 large bubbles together, okay? And that's what we've got at the moment. We can just give this a little bit of a squeeze and a stretch, and then with the rest of this balloon, just pull it through the centre of the rabbit's body. And then we can just adjust everything. So that's what you've got at the moment. Take the tip of a pink 260 and just put a little bit of air in. And I really do just want a very, very small bubble, so I'm just letting the air out. And then as I do so, I'm twisting, putting a twist there just to trap the air, and then I'm just going to tie that off. Okay? We can just pull that into the cheeks there and wrap around. And then with the black Sharpie, I'm just going to draw some small eyes. So there's your easy balloon rabbit, perfect for Easter gigs. I'll see you again in the next video.